everyone, my name is Heather and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a cook with me. I am doing a recipe from the Sofrito Project. I'll leave a link to her blog down below. She has so many good recipes on her blog that it was really hard to pick one, but I decided on the upgraded ramen today. So I've got all of my ingredients laid out, ready to go. So let's start cooking. Okay, so the ingredients for this recipe are carrots, 4 packs of Maruchan chicken flavor, bean sprouts, green onions, a bunch of cilantro, 2 limes, a pound of chicken tenderloins, 8 ounces of sliced white mushrooms, 4 eggs, a tablespoon of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. I'm using coconut aminos, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, and I'm using minced garlic, and then 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Okay, so I'm gonna start with hard boiling the eggs. I'm gonna do it in the Instant Pot. Obviously you can do it on the stove top. I just like to do it in the Instant Pot because water tends to boil over and make a huge mess, so the Instant Pot it is. Okay, so the first step is to boil the chicken in about 4 to 6 cups of water, and then add the garlic and the smoked paprika and some salt. Doesn't say how much salt, so I'm just gonna use a little. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that boil or poach until it cooks through, and while it's doing its thing, I am going, while it's doing its thing, I am going to shred the carrots. Okay, so I was a little annoyed because Target didn't have shredded carrots that were shredded already. They just had whole ass carrots, or baby carrots, which would not work as well. So
I'm going to have to shred my own carrots.
Target, how dare you?
I mean, luckily I have this fancy food processor here that is really annoying to clean, but this will have to do. Luna, by the way, loves carrots. All right, so I think this should be enough. I don't know if this is gonna work. I should probably break this in half. All right. Voila. You guys, there is a serious thunderstorm happening right now, and I'm kind of liking it. And just like that, I've got shredded carrots. Does this happen to anyone else? Looks like Luna's gonna get some carrots. Alright, so I poked the chicken and it looks like it's pretty done. I'm not sure how long you're supposed to poach chicken, so I googled it and it said about 10 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes. I think we're good. So I'm gonna take the chicken out and then have the liquid going on low heat while I do some other things. Okay, I think I got it all. Okay, I've got the eggs cooling in an ice bath. Pay no attention to my dirty dishes. And here's my liquid simmering. Now we have to heat up the coconut oil and we're gonna saute the mushrooms. Swish this around. All right, we'll saute these for about 10 minutes or so. Fun fact, I got this spoon when I was in college, which was about 13 years ago. Alright, so now I'll add a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, so now it's time to add the ramen noodles, and you're only supposed to use 2 of the seasoning packets, so that's a good thing because there's a lot of sodium in these if you use the seasoning packets. these noodles up. And then once those are softened, I'll add these 2 packets and then the coconut aminos and the sesame oil. Those are about done. I just wanted to note that it said to take out the garlic, but I'm not using actual garlic. I'm using minced garlic, so I didn't discard it before adding the noodles in. Don't think it's a big deal. Tell you how excited I am to try this dinner. Like, it looks so good.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us. I won't give up.
It is definitely upgraded ramen. So if you want to give this a try, make sure you head down to my description box and follow the link to the Sofrito Project's blog. Again, she has a ton of great recipes, so definitely check her out. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe down below before you head out and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And with that, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.